In the previous video, you learned everything about the intestinal hyperpermeability, the leaky gut, and you know what is causing your leaky gut. And now you want to know how you can actually repair it. So you need all these nutrients so that the beautiful gut lining with all this villi and the healthy bacteria can make you boost the energy levels, lose the belly fat, and rebalance your hormones. So in this video, we are going to look deeper into probiotics and prebiotics. So what are probiotics? So it's actually the lactobacillus and bifidobacterius, all these healthy bacteria that are creating butyrate, the energy for the cells lining, and in return, it creates serotonin. And it's creating all the vitamins and everything. So where can you get them? Obviously, you can go to the pharmacy and you can buy highly potent, like 50 billion bacteria with different species. But what you want is to eat the food that is high in prebiotics. My favorite brand is Pure Taste. So it's a startup based in Basel, and they have amazing wild fermented. So what is wild fermentation? It means they're not feeding the vegetable or any product with artificial sugar. They are really giving a space to the bacteria to eat the carbohydrates that are, for example, in the cabbage. Therefore, it takes much longer to ferment it, but then in every gram, you have around 150 million lactobacillus species. So this process of fermentation, when the bacteria are eating, they produce gas and some acid, and these metabolites are creating all the benefits. So one of them is, for example, lactic acid. And maybe you know about lactic acid, when you are exercising a lot and you have this burning sensation in your muscle. Or maybe if you are a woman and you had vaginal infection, you went to the pharmacy and you bought this wash gel that also has the lactic acid. So you can see that lactic acid is actually helping to protect you against the disease caused by a bad bacteria and doesn't influence the good bacteria. Then probiotics are also creating enzymes. So enzymes are basically like scissors. So they are helping you to break down the food into single molecules so that you can easily absorb them and digest them and turn them into the fuel. So food such as kefir that has bifidobacterium, yogurt that has lactobacillus tempeh, which is a fermented soya product that can act even as a phytoestrogen. Therefore, for women who are suffering with perimenopausal or menopausal symptoms, it can be very beneficial. Sauerkraut, kimchi that is slightly spicy, and it's going to also increase the thermogenesis, therefore help you to speed up the metabolism and burn the belly fat. What about kombucha, the fermented drink, or apple cider vinegar? And remember, apple cider vinegar, you always want to buy unfiltered and unpasteurized, because if it's pasteurized, all the good bacteria was actually killed. So make sure that you make a good choice. Now we look at prebiotics. So prebiotics is actually food for the probiotics. So once you repopulate the good bacteria and kill the bad bacteria like Candida that you definitely don't want to have, only then you eat prebiotics. We as humans, we don't have digestive enzymes to break down the prebiotic food. It's long chains of sugar and it's a dietary fiber. So if we don't eat it and absorb it in a small intestine, the bacteria in the large intestine are going to have a party and create lots of gas and lots of butyrate. So the butyrate from the good bacteria is actually good for us, because then it's the energy. If you have bad bacteria, you are going to suffer a lot after eating all this food. So I suggest you either start slowly or talk to the nutritionist, do the elimination diet, find out which bacteria are causing you dis-ease or discomfort, and then get on the right set.